In the next few minutes, you'll learn the parts of downsizing that take the longest so you can plan without stress. If you assumed we'll list in a few weeks and then you looked around and felt stuck, welcome to the real process. I'm Maria McGuire, broker owner of Remax Advisors, and I build timelines that keep you in control. Here's what takes longer than people expect: sorting sentimental items. How about coordinating family decisions? Repairs and prep. Finding the right next home, especially one level living. Aligning close dates so you're not homeless or rushed. A realistic plan often looks like 8 to 12 weeks of prep before listing if you want it done calmly. The goal is to avoid the worst case scenario, a rushed move with expensive decisions. As a pro, I create the step by step roadmap: what to do first, what buyers actually care about, and how to coordinate selling and buying smoothly.